Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix FaceTime activation error on your Apple device. So guys, if you're also facing this issue here, I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all open settings and then go to your profile and then scroll it below all the way and sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time. And after this you have to simply restart your device and sign in your Apple ID again on your device as well. So guys, do this, and after this you have to simply make sure that you are using the updated version of software as well. Go to general, then software update, and update your software to the latest version. So guys, do this, and now you have to simply scroll it below and go to apps, and then you have to simply go to FaceTime from here, and from here you have to simply turn on the toggle for FaceTime from here if it is off. So I simply turn it on and it will work and your problem will be solved. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.